So this is 3 weeks old, guys, that I'm going to update with you. So people following us, here it is. It's a white star peony, really nice flower, which is amazing, and I can't wait that if it's not flowering this year, it's fine. And look, there's more coming. See that? Amazing. And look at the color of the stem. I really do like them, actually. Very nice. And I can really wait for the flowers, big one, to arrive. See, I see see that new shades. It's a blueberry color. It's beautiful. Anyway, guys, here. That's amazing. Burgundy stem. See, very excited. So this one, I watered them when the soil is dry, because more dry, and although it's still spring now, but dry and a lot of wind. So once this one dry a bit, peel it, and then if it's dry, give them water. It doesn't matter if it's every day, as long as you don't give it over like so much. And then she's happy, look. And then this one in the midday or mid in the afternoon, they doesn't like really hot weather. So remove it, because this one often get really hot as well. So remove this, put this half shade, partly sun. So like I call it dappled light. So we finish that star peony or white star peony tree. We go right here, guys. Also a big pot here. This is 3 weeks old. I planted them together the same day. But look at this flame. There's big red, nice star flower peony as well. But they are herbaceous. So meaning this one, it keep coming back every season, like end of third or last end of winter. So and then towards spring to summer, they come back. So meaning you have to prune them, cut it down, and then they grow back to you in the springtime or end of the winter. So they do dormancy. This one, that one, they don't have any dormancy on them. Yeah, but you can prune them a little bit if you want to, but I'm not gonna prune that in a quick now, because they just come back to me. So this one, no need to, there is no dormancy on it. They don't rest in the winter, so like all year round. This herbaceous, so that's a different shade, you know, the herbaceous peony, flame color, super red and nice big one flower, and then the white star with a beautiful in the middle. So we're gonna check that soon. So this is really cool, like some other plants that they do dormancy. So I go so excited. So today it's opening, look, and more coming. All these eyes.